Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize voiceover or commands on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. Then we go down and in here tap on Commands. Next, tap on All Commands. Now in here there are a lot of commands which you can customize. Starting at the top is the interaction. In here you can customize Activate, Escape, Magic Tap, Perform Long Press, and Secondary Activate. So if you tap on that, in here you can see at the moment by default it is set to one finger double tap. You can tap on Add Gestures, and from here you can choose a gestures that you want to use. Now if that gestures has already been assigned to something else, you can use the here. So the gestures is assigned to another command, item summary. So if you tap on assign, it will show a list. When you tap on it, it will show you a list which you can choose. So I'm going to delete this. So if you want to delete a gestures, you can tap on edit and then tap on remove and then tap on delete, and that will allow you to remove a gestures. And then tap on done. And from here, you can tap on Add Gestures again. Below that is the keyboard shortcuts. So at the moment, it is assigned to a space. If you want, you can tap on Add Keyboard Shortcuts to add in a different keyboard shortcut. Now, so here, enter a key combination on your keyboard. You need to plug in your keyboard to assign your keyboard shortcuts. Next is the Escape. So in here, you can assign a different touch gestures for the escape, and then you got Magic Tap, Perform Long Press, and Secondary Activate. Next is the basic navigation. So in here you got all the different items: move in, move out, move to bottom of container, and so on. If you tap on move in, you can see in here it's very similar to all the other command. You can add in more gestures or delete an existing gesture and replace it with another one. And that's it. So at the bottom section is your keyboard shortcuts. So for each of this command, you can choose which gestures to use. So you got the for this particular item, move to first item, it has no gestures, so you can tap on Add Gestures and then assign one of the gestures to use. And here you got in basic navigation, you got move to bottom of container, move to bottom of document, move to first item, move to item above, move to item at center, move to item below, move to last item, move to link item, and so on. Next is the text navigation. So again, in text navigation, there's a lot of commands that allow you to navigate around text. So here you can see, for example, we can move to the next font change, bold text, italic text, plain text, move to misspelled word, block quote, style change, block quote, and so on. So you can tap on any one of these items, and you can add in a gestures command, and then also you can assign a keyboard shortcuts. So that is text navigation, and then you got advanced navigations. So this is the advanced navigation. Then editing. In editing, you can assign gestures to copy, cut, paste, redo, and undo. Then you got rotor. So here we got the next rotor item. So by default, it is assigned with 2-finger rotate clockwise. So you just rotate like that to go to the next rotor item, and go to the previous item, you would do anti-clockwise. And that is the default gestures. Of course, you can change to a different gestures if you want, or if you wanted to. And then you got scrolling gestures: scroll down, scroll left, scroll right, scroll to bottom, and scroll to top, and scroll up. Next, you got the speech and audio. So here you got toggle audio ducking, toggle mute, toggle speech, volume down and volume up. Braille, you got output, voiceover. There is a lot of different commands for voiceover. So you got describe image, detection mode, label item, open quick settings. Lots of commands and a lot of shortcuts you have to learn. You're not going to learn all of them. Maybe you only need to learn the one that you are using the most. So you got Braille, voiceover, system. So command for system. These are maybe important because you use it quite often, such as the app switcher, open app switcher, open the control center. So you can assign gestures to open the control center, or go back to the home screen. Lock screen. You can see here for home screen there is a keyboard shortcut. So if you press on the H button on your keyboard, it will go back to the home screen. And then you got shortcuts to open notification center. So pressing a page up, reachability, spotlight, switch to next app, switch to previous app, and take screenshot. There are no gestures or keyboard shortcuts has been assigned to take screenshot for voiceover, so you can assign one if you want to use screenshot. And lastly, you got other and shortcuts. So here are the shortcuts at the moment. And so in the list here, you can go through each of the items and then you can assign gestures and keyboard shortcuts. There are a lot to mention all of them, so you can go through the menu items in here and customize it and how you want to use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.